All right, let's talk about adding in a Facebook widget. Now there's different ones. Let's go ahead and type in Facebook widgets or social plugins. If that's what you want to call them. All right, so go ahead and just click on that first one. So they show you all different ones. You can put a comment feed, embedded comments, embedded post. Now since we already have our Twitter right here, let's say that is our main post, but you just want to put a follow button, something like this. Now to do this, you have to make a page for your on your Facebook. So for example, you should be already logged in. So I click my profile. So usually it should work where you just copy and paste that right here, but it doesn't work for, see how it disappears? That means it doesn't work. You will need a page. So I think it goes for everything else as far as the like buttons and things like that. So the URL, let's try it out. Go ahead, all copy. Do this good stuff, paste it in and see what happens. As you can see, it doesn't work. So you will need to create a page. So I already got my page made. So if you click right here, you see your pages. And if you don't have one, then that's fine. You can just create it. But that's what you're going to use to be able to do that. So I'm just go ahead and copy that last extension. And you see I got one made right here. Let's say I want the follow buttons. So I'm going to simply erase this Zuck. I think that's Zuckerberg's. So I'm going to click it. So now I have one right there. So go ahead and create your page. And then simply just paste it at the end of the .com right there, right after it. And you should be good. So now I'm going to get the code. Now there's two ways of doing it. This way, if you use this, you can just read it, include this JavaScript SKD, which is this code, on your page once, ideally right after the opening body. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. So right after the opening body tag. So you scroll up to the top and right here, right at the beginning, paste that in. And then you go back, and now the bottom piece is to where you want to place your code. Or place this code wherever you want the plugin to appear on your page. So I want it to appear in box 2. So I'm going to scroll back down, go find that box. Here we are at box 2. Paste in the code, let's save it. And I hit refresh. Alright, I don't seem to see anything. Now this always happens to me sometimes when I do use this Facebook one. I don't know if there's something wrong with the code, but as you can see, it is not appearing on there. But that's fine though. But that's how you work that way. So if it doesn't work, that's fine. But like I said, those two pieces of code are what you're gonna need. So I'm gonna go ahead and just delete those again. So now the other way is to use this iframe, which is probably the easiest way. I'll just copy that, and this simply goes, you just put it wherever you want it. So I want it in box 2. Scroll down and find my box. Alright, here we are. Paste that, save it. I can go back, hit refresh, see what happens. Alright, so there you go. So now I click this and I'll be able to follow myself. So like I said, if the other way didn't work, this JavaScript SDK, then just go ahead and use the iframe like I just showed you. It does work this way also. So go ahead and create your page. Go ahead and plug it in after, and then get your code and use the iframe.